Alright, so in this video we are going to see that how we can create okay, so how you can use Python and Matplot library in your daily life such that you can create pie charts. Yes, you are listening it right. You can create pie charts. So let us start by importing the module from the very basics. So let us start writing the code. So import numpy as np. Okay, so import matplot library dot py plot, okay, as plt. Next, let us okay, so let me define some array such that we can make a sample data set for the pies chart. So 15 comma, let us say 30, okay, 30 comma 45 comma 10. Okay, so labels is equal to okay, apples, like I'm designing some fruits, apples, bananas, okay, okay, and then cherries, okay, and then dates and last dates, okay. Now colors is equal to, let us say, like yeah, and here color should be named very much carefully. Gold, that is the golden color. Yellow, green, yellow, that means the mixture of yellowish and greenish, okay. So light coral, light coral, and the spelling of coral should be written very much good. And yeah, and each of this what I can say, like each of the color names should be written in a specific form, so it should be taken seriously, okay. So light sky blue, so light sky blue, okay. Now after that, the main thing, that is I will create a py chart, okay. So plot dot py, and then size that I have assigned, label is equal to labels, okay, and colors is equal to colors, okay. So and after that, auto pact, okay, auto pact is equal to like percentage 1.1 double f, sorry, f double percentage, okay. So and then after that, at last, start angle is equal to 140, as per as I have assigned here. Now at last, plot dot axis, that is let us type it as equal, because in a circle, as we know, that the dx element tends to 360 degrees, so all the perimeter is equal. So plt dot title, and let me write the title as sample pie chart using matplot library and Python programming, okay. So at last, plot dot show, okay. So let me run the code. So there's an error, oh, okay, all right. So finally, okay, there's a code, oh, sorry, there's an error where in line 9, that is plot dot access equal, what's the error, what's the, okay, it should be access actually. Yeah, okay. So this is the sample uh, pie chart using Python. So this is how we can use these data sets for converting into a form of pie chart. Actually, the thing is that it performs calculation at the back end, and and it gives the in the form of percentage, as I have given here, auto packed, okay. And these are the color that I have assigned. And if you will look carefully, then for apples, as I have assigned the golden color, then it has printed the apple for as the golden one, as you can see there. Wait, let me open it. Yeah, so the apple is using a kind of golden color, okay. So thanks